Hey my YouTubers, girl, you look good. Hey guys, so I'm coming to do a review on some hair that I picked up to go in my daughter's hair. I wanted to do a review on it because I thought this hair was really good hair. It came in this box here. What is the name of this? DSoar here. I ordered offline off the website here. If you go on this website, they were having a really good sale on this hair, and I decided to pick it up for my daughter. I picked up the 24 inches is this inch here. And I also picked up, it came with 24, 22, and 20, and a closure. The closure I already put in here, but I wanted to stop and do a video on this hair because I thought it was really good hair. The hair is really soft. What came in the box is the hair, and then they also send some lashes. The lashes look okay. They are mink lashes, and I think I've seen these lashes in the beauty supply, my local beauty supply store. So those lashes are mink lashes, so I think they're pretty good. They're 800, what does that say on it? 800 something, maybe upside down. I don't know what that's saying, but they also came with lashes, and the closure came in the box also. So I'm just going to give you guys a view of the hair, how nice the hair is. It's really good hair, you guys. So this is the hair. It's really soft. I mean, really soft hair. I'm going to give you guys a look of the hair when I finish putting it in her hair. But this is a hair. This is a 24 inch, and the ends of the hair are pretty good ends of the hair. The hair is not like, it doesn't have a smell to it either. So the hair, I think the hair is pretty good. This is also the 22 inch bag of hair right here. Let me open that for you so you can see that one. Okay, this is a 22 inch here. You can see the how much hair comes in it. Pretty good bundles of hair. So it came with 3 bundles and a closure, and I just want to say this hair is really good. I mean, it's really good right now. I don't know how long it's gonna last because she is hard on her hair, but the hair quality is really soft. I mean, super duper uber soft, guys. So I'll show you the finished look of the hair, and I'll come back and show you that. But again, this is the brand. I'm sure they still have a sale going on with this brand online. So check out the online website and pick some up. And I'll come back and show you the final. All right, YouTube, this is the final look of the hair. The hair is 24 inches long. That is the closure of the hair. We don't have good lighting. Put in a light. The closure is pretty good. It's really good, actually. But we can't see for the light. But the hair came out really good. Turn around the back. That's the back of the hair, 24 inches. So it's some really good hair, you guys. Sorry for the lighting if the lighting is not good. My chandelier is not showing good lighting. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.